Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain how to create cutting letters on curved surface. So left side you can see the sheet metal which is in circular form. So I'm going to show you how to create this text on this surface. So right side, this is the laser cutting machine. This is how the laser cutting machine looks like, and the sheet is placed on the bed, and this path is fed to DXF format. So this is how it looks like. So this is the component I am going to create with laser cutting. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane, draw a circle, circle is around 80 mm dia, and make it into construction. So select the center point arc, select the center, draw an arc. Now select these two endpoints, make it horizontal, and select this circle and this point. Either we can make co-radial or equal. So I am going to make equal, and the distance between the center point and this point is around 15 mm. So sketch is defined. Select the sheet metal module, base flange. So here I have taken 1 mm thickness and 10 mm strip. So here we have to select mid plane. See, it has been created now. Now select the unfold option, select this edge and select collect all bends and say OK. Select this face, go to sketch, select the text. See, we can have any text. So here I am going to take laser cutting. So I am going to type laser cutting alpha curve sheet. See here, you can see here. So here we have to maintain some gap. So I am taking 20%. So you can see the difference. And font I have taken Arial rounded, and it should be in bold. Points I have taken 12. Say OK. See here. So we have to specify the start point. So we have to constrain. Select this point and this edge, and it is 5 mm. 3.5. See. Select extruded cut. See, here we have to select link to thickness and normal to cut and say OK. Now it will ask for multiple bodies, so we have to say OK. See here. So why is it asking for multiple bodies? See, there is a gap at this location. See this, at this location. So there are different multiple bodies. So in this case we have to do two things. One is select this face, go to sketch. See here left side you can see 5 multiple bodies. So after modification it is going to reduce to 4. So I am going to create a small tab on this location. So go to sheet metal, create a tab and say OK. See, after creating this tab there are 4 multiple bodies. So we can remove these multiple bodies by adding the tab. So I am going to add one once again for better understanding. So go to sketch, so I am going to create small tab at this location. See here. Now see, it has been reduced to 3. Similarly we can remove for R. So this is one option, or else we can simply delete this body. For example, right click or select from here. See, selected this, right click here and go to delete a key body. We can go here and we can select delete bodies and say OK. So we can simply remove. See, it is removed now. So we can do with 2 options. One is deleting the body and other with tab. We can create a tab. So we can use these 2 options and we can, we have to go to fold, collect all bends and say OK. See, it is created now. See, this additional one we have to remove it. So we have to select here and delete this body and say OK. See here. So this is how we create text on curved surface or circular sheet metal. Sometimes we can use customized text. See, this is the customized text and we can create with a sketch and place it on the curved surface and we can remove the material. So we can use this third method also. So this is how we create laser cutting of letters on curved surface. Thanks for watching.